yours. Whenever I asked, how was school yesterday? What was your go-to line every single time, James?
Best day of the week.
It's the best day of the week, Mike. Best day of the week is school. Loves the school. Now you're a world traveler as well.
I've been to a couple different places.
So the nickname for James is Time Traveler because we do our trivia games and stuff at the start of the shift in our morning meeting. Something that we started late last year with Greg, and we continue it at the 1:00 meeting. We do 5 or 6 trivia questions, and this kid usually knocks it out of the park with stuff that the average person would not have any clue actually is what's going on, and not just vehicle related. We're talking like world events, and you just pull stuff out of your butt that I have no idea how this kid at the age of 28 would know half of this stuff, let alone any of it. And you're pretty impressive, James. Pretty impressive.
Thanks. I definitely watch a lot of Jeopardy and do like to read, and I always liked history and reading about that.
So getting back to the schooling and Conestoga, good experience there, good teachers, good professors.
Excellent. I really enjoyed it. I found both of I had 2 main instructors. One was Jeff, one was Kevin, and they were both lots and lots of experience.
Licensed guys, obviously.
Oh yeah, licensed guys, and staying current. Like still, one guy, Jeff, would go back in the summer when they're off from school and still work on the bench, see what's new, see what's happening. And I really liked, one thing I really liked about Conestoga is we're able to bring, for our practical part, usually the day was split. You'd have theory and practical. You do stuff in the shop, and you have certain tasks. It might be, okay, we're looking at whatever it's you're looking at, but you can bring in your own cars. So we work in groups of 3, and it was...
I can't imagine these kids who aren't even... This vehicle's probably 20 years older than most of them. But anyway, go ahead. You brought your Jag in?
Yes.
Nice.
And it was great. It was really fun because you're trying to do a practical kind of task and looking. It's like, oh wow, there's a lot of stuff broken here. So it was it was good. It was like say at Mohawk, it was great too. But they had it a little bit different for practical. They had like loaner cars. Some cars would be like brand new Toyota Corolla, and you're
right.
Oh, do a brake inspection, and be like, it's brand new. Whereas it wasn't just my car, but all of the apprentices, you're in the same boat, right? You're trying to learn. You don't have endless resources. There'd be some people come in and be like, "Oh, this guy's coil spring's broken," or whatever it might be. But it was great to really look at it, and actual high mileage cars are being used and seeing problems, and then get to fix and to learn. And nobody's expecting you to know exactly. It was all a process, and you just do it, and you gain knowledge, and you're just supposed to just jump in and kind of explore, see how stuff goes, and test things. And oops, I've blown this fuse, but that's okay because you're at school, and that's what the point of it is.
Yeah, for sure. Mm-hmm. So did they have a lot of testing ongoing through your training, obviously?
Yes, they'd break it down into different units that you would do. For example, engines or HVAC or drivetrain.